Happy Planner Wednesday, and this spread is going to be from June the 18th through June the 24th. And I didn't make any stickers this week because we had such a bad storm last week that my internet totally went down, and I just got it back up today. My router got blown up, so I haven't been able to get online and do anything. So I'm going to revert back to some Dollar Tree stickers, but I think they're really pretty, and I think this is going to be a really cute spread, and it'll show you that you can do anything with Dollar Tree stickers and have a beautiful planner. So let me show you what we're going to do. These are the stickers that I've chosen. I've had these for a while, and I just love the pink. Well, it's really the purple. I love the purple, and then the different colors. It's of a blue and a bluish purple. And I love the little butterfly and the birds and all the flowers. I think it looks very happy. And then I decided to put it with this paper. I just think it looks fun and kind of, I like how the green picks up the leaves, and some of the blue in the paper. And then I'm just going to be using this washi that just has different types of succulents on it, and I think that's going to look nice. And then I'm just using a Paper-Mate marker that I got from Dollar Tree. So let me go ahead and take my paper out of my planner, and I'm so glad that everybody loved Miracle in the Rain, the theme I did last week. I had so much fun doing it. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be my dominant theme because the blue is much more noticeable in this. The other has blue in it too, but I just definitely want to pull out more blue. So I think this is going to be a very pretty, happy spread. And I like to incorporate different patterns that you might not pick when I pick out my paper for my stickers. I had a request to show how to choose a planner and how to pick the paper and the stickers. I've had several requests about that, so I think I may do something like that in the future. Well, I know I will. I think it would be a very fun video to make, as well as very helpful. And this also has blue in it. It's just really hard to see it. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down how we like it. I think this is going to be a very cheerful little spread. Okay, let's glue it down. And my foot is continuing to get better every day. It's still not perfect, and I see the doctor again on Tuesday, but it's getting better. And I'm still on antibiotics until next Thursday. And I chose this because it looks happy, and the colors, it picks up all the colors, the purple and the green and a little bit of blue. Not so much the blue, but the other colors. And it just looks like you're outdoors to me. And I bought this washi tape at Michael's. They had a big sale. And when I was doing my pocket letter, but this does not tear nearly as good as the one from Dollar Tree. I say that all the time, but it's the truth. I really love Dollar Tree washi. I think that is going to be so cute. Oh, I love it. It just looks exactly like what I wanted. Something just happy, carefree. Okay, now we'll get our Dollar Tree stickers and we will see what we have here. Some of them are dimensional. This is a really big one. You could cut it in two, I suppose, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I may just do it just like this. Oh, I think that's really pretty. And then just put some little ones. And if the dimension bothers you, you can always take it off. It really doesn't bother me. I'm going to put this one right here. Oh, and I love that bow. Ugh, it's gorgeous. Let's see, I think I may just put that. Do I want to put? I think I may put this. Right down through here. That is so pretty. Oh, you really cannot beat Dollar Tree stickers. They're so pretty. And then a little butterfly. And then we have these. Put that one there. Put that one right there. And then this one, I think I'll stick it something like that on the angle. And then here's our last one. And I love hydrangeas. I had some in my front yard, but then I took them out and planted something else. I kind of wish I hadn't. Oh, I think that's gorgeous. Okay, now let me just write a few things that I need to do. Okay, now let's put this back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But you can really make a beautiful spread using Dollar Tree stickers. They're so beautiful, and for $1, I mean, you can't beat it. And I've had this paper a long time. I just got it quite a while ago in a different, in a pack that I'd had for a while. But I really love the beautiful stickers, the washi and the paper. I just love it. So, but I wanted to let you see, as I've done many times, you can, if you don't want to make your own stickers, you can use Dollar Tree and make a very beautiful spread. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.